Last week, we talked about the basics of finding x in equations. This time, we're going to raise the level up a little bit. That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, like I said kanina sa intro, pag-usapan na natin yung basics ng looking for the X. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung ating part 1 sa series na ito, you can click right here sa I button if you're watching this on YouTube para mapanood nyo muna yung part 1. Ngayon kasi medyo magdadagdag na tayo ng marami pang ibang components. Kasi hindi naman ang lahat ng X ay madaling hanapin. Alright, and before I do that, just a quick little plug. If you want to help support this channel and our cause to democratize education here in the Philippines, go and check out our merch shop sa shop.teamlyqa.com. That is where you can get the shirts, the hoodies, and the other stuff that I designed for this team. Sa lahat ng mga nakabili na, maraming salamat sa inyo. All of the proceeds there go to our Hope Fund, which helps support this channel, and of course, yung mga students and teachers that we have all over the country that are in need of our help, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Alright? And now that we have that out of the way, I'm going to jump into yung aking PC for yung discussion part, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so ito na yung ating discussion on multiple step problems pagdating sa paghahanap ng X. Again, very important for you to know kung ano yung basic na concept dito. So if you haven't seen part 1 yet, ililink ko na lang din sa taas so you can catch up. Maganda rin if you have a good base na when it comes to integers, fractions, exponents, kasi all of those things itatakal din natin dito. All of the links sa mga playlists ko doon nasa baba rin, and I'll keep reminding you throughout the entire video, okay? Now, let's take this example. Sabi 2x plus 8 is equal to 20. Anong kailangan natin gawin? Now, again, same din as last week's discussion, we have to be fair. Ibig sabihin, whatever we do sa left side, gagawin din natin sa right side. And we have to leave your X. Okay? Leave X sa isang side. Sa akin, mas preferred ko kung iiwan ko yung X sa side kung saan mananatili siyang positive. A lot like yung mga X's din natin in real life. Mas maganda kung positive pa rin kahit na iniwan na natin sila. Okay? Ganon din dito sa algebra problems. Okay? So we have 2x plus 8. Ang gagawin natin would be, tatanggalin muna natin yung plus 8. Okay? Ang general rule is outside going in. Ibig sabihin, yung mga malalayo muna sa x ang sisimulan natin tanggalin bago yung nakadikit sa x. Okay? Dahil dito meron kang 2x dyan. If we divide both sides kasi by 2, and I'll show you just for example, no? If ito ang una nating i-aim na makancel, kung di-divide natin ito sa 2, okay, magiging 2x plus 8 over 2. Hindi naman siya necessarily magiging x na agad or makakancel na agad. So, ang goal muna natin ay tanggalin muna yung 8. Okay? Again, how do we do that? I demonstrated this last time na rin. Pwede natin kunin ito at ilipat sa kabilang side. So, magiging 2x is equal to 20 minus 8. Okay? Kasi again, kapag nilipat mo siya sa kabilang side, whether pa ganon or pa ganon, basta pag nilipat mo siya sa kabilang side, yung operation niya mag-change. Okay? Or yung sign magpapalit. So, ito ay plus 8, magiging minus 8 sa kabila. So, now you have 2x is equal to 20 minus 8, or i-rewrite lang natin, 2x is equal to 12. Now, mapapansin niyo pag nag-algebra kayo, nagsosolve down tayo, parang paulit-ulit mong sinusulat yung mga variables, ulit-ulit mo sinusulat yung equation. Part yan ng disiplina ng algebra. You have to be careful sa pagkopya ng mga sign, pagkopya ng mga equation, and you have to make sure na you take it step by step, lalo na kung nagsisimula ka pa lang para wala kang mawawaglit. Attention to detail ang kailangan. Okay? So now we have this. Pwede na nating i-aim na mawala yung 2. I-divide natin both sides by 2. Okay? Para makancel ito. So, magiging x is equal to 12 divided by 2 or 6. So, the answer is 6. Alright? Again, you have to be fair. What you do sa left side, gagawin mo sa right. Transpose mo siya, gagawin mo rin doon. And you have to leave your x. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-concept niya. It gets trickier the more complicated yung equation is. For example, we have this. And we'll try to cover as many possibilities sa video na ito. So we have 2x squared is equal to 32. Okay? Now, ang common na error dito is people don't know kung saan ba ako magsa-start. Sa 2 o dun sa squared. Okay? Now, if you remember your order of operations, ang order of operations natin, di ba, PEMDAS or GEMDAS. Okay? Nauuna yung exponent bago yung multiplication or division. Now, if you notice kanina, ang inuna natin is yung addition bago yung multiplication. If you think about it, kapag nagsosolve ka na ng equalities, we tend to go right to left instead of left to right. Okay? So, pag nagsosolve ka na ng basic equation, you go from right to left. Pero pag naghahanap ka na ng x, paurong na tayo. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Dahil paurong, nauuna ang multiplication bago ang exponent, sa ganitong case, okay, ang una nating tatanggalin is yung 2 bago yung squared. Now, ano yung logic doon? Kasi nga, again, when we're solving naman, kung whatever this x means, inuuna naman natin na sinusquare bago natin minumultiply. So, kung gagawin natin yung kabaliktaran nun, kailangan nating unahin yung 2 tanggalin bago yung squared kasi magkadikit sila. Okay, so how do we do that? First, i-divide muna natin both sides by 2. Again, you can write it like this, or if you want, pwedeng ganito. Over 2 dyan, over 2 rin dito. Kasi nga, we have to be fair. Okay? So now, makakancel na natin ito. Okay, this will be x squared. So makakancel na yan, magiging 1 na sila. Is equal to 32 divided by 2, which is 16. Now, ano ibig sabihin na squared na yan? Paano ko naman ngayon yan tatanggalin? Para matanggal nyo yan, ang gagawin natin, is-square root natin both sides din. Okay, again, kung anong ginawa ko sa left side, gagawin ko dapat sa right. So, square root ng x squared is going to be x is equal to, at ang square root naman ng 16 is going to be 4. Perfect square naman siya. Now, if you want to illustrate that, what we could do would be to factor it. So, 16 divisible sa 2, magiging 8. Yung 8 sa 2 at 4, yung 4 sa 2 at 2. If you notice, may isang pares ng 2 at pangalawang pares ng 2. Ibig sabihin, 2 times 2 ang sagot. So, 2 times 2 is 4. The answer is 4. Okay? Now, itong ginawa ko dito is yung ating discussion on radicals, kung paano mag-simplify ng radicals. If you haven't seen yung radicals natin na series yet, ililink ko na lang din sa taas para makapag-catch up kayo. Kasi, yes, it applies sa algebra. Minsan, ganyan. Minsan pa nga, cube root yung kailangan mong kunin. Okay? Now, paano naman to? Now, again, if you notice, magkahawig sila sa side na ito, right? Kaya lang, may parentheses dito bago yung squared. May pinagkaiba ba yung gagawin natin? And the answer to that would be yes. Bakit? Kasi, again, yung PEMDAS natin, okay, mauuna naman, again, when we're solving, paurong kasi, mauuna naman yung exponent bago yung grouping. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, sa case na ito, ang una natin kailangan tanggalin na ngayon would be yung square. Hindi na yung 2. Okay? Yung parenthesis na yan changes the entire game. And dito lagi yung mga trick questions kung saan nahuhulog yung mga estudyante kapag exam na. Kasi nawawaglit nila yung parenthesis na yan. Ang ibig sabihin ng parenthesis kasi na yan would be, mauuna kong isolve ito. Kung alam ko yung x, mauna ko itong isolve bago ko siya i-square. So, if I'm going to solve for the equality or solve for the reverse, ang gagawin ko would be, tatanggalin ko muna yung square bago yung nasa loob. So, ibig sabihin nun, hindi katulad nung kanina, ang una nating step dito is to actually remove the square doon. So, isa-square root ko to, isa-square root ko rin yan. Now, pag natanggal ko na ito, which is ganun yung mangyayari kasi niyan eh. Kapag square root ko siya, tapos may square siya doon, ang ibig sabihin lang naman yan is 2x na ngayon siya times 2x. O, square root ko siya. At dahil dalawa naman siya, magkapares siya, pwede ko ngayon silang ilabas. So, ang magiging sagot dyan would be 2x na lang siya. Equals sa 36, yung square root daw ng 36. Ano ba square root ng 36? 6, right? 6 times 6 is 36. Ito na ngayon yung magiging kalalabasan niyan. Tapos, ika-cancel ko na ngayon yung 2. Okay, mawawala ito. X is equal to 6 divided by 2 or 3. So, the answer is 3. Again, everything changes dahil dun sa parentheses. Kaya nga, again, you have to be very careful pagdating sa pag-follow ng rules kapag kayo nag-solve ng algebra. Kasi yung attention to detail really matters. Alright? Now, let's take this naman. Okay, again, I'm I'm putting up scenarios na kadalasan lumalabas sa exams kasi ito yung nagiging pitfalls ng mga people who are not that careful. Square root naman ang nakalagay. Pero if you notice, magkaiba itong dalawang problem na ito. Ang tanong, magkaiba rin ba sila ng sagot? You see here, yung square root niya ay naka-extend. Ibig sabihin, ang isa-square root mo ay yung x plus 6, hindi yung x lang. Ito yung x lang. Okay? Now, paano ko siya isosolve? Let's start with this first one. Okay? Kung naka-square root to ng buo, ibig sabihin nun, para matanggal ko tong square root na yan, pwede ko siyang i-multiply by itself lahat. Or isa-square ko lahat. Okay? So, square ko to, isa-square ko rin ito. Okay? At pag square ko to, mawawala ngayon yung symbol ng square root. So, magiging x plus 6 na lang siya. So, x plus 6 is equal to 12 times 12 kasi 12 squared na yung kakalabasan. Ano yung 12 times 12? That would be 120, which is times 10, plus yung 12 times 2, which is 24. So, the answer is 144. So, 12 times 12 is 144. Again, you can solve it ng long cut. Pwede nyong isulat ng may carry-carry. It's going to be the same naman. 12 times 12 is still 144. Now that you have that, you can now solve for x. Again, pwede ko itong ilipat sa kabila. This will be x is equal to 144 minus 6, kasi again, nilipat ko siya, kung plus siya doon, dito minus na siya, x is equal to 138. Okay? So, ito yung sagot kung ito yung problem. Now, tanong, paano naman kung ito? Tingnan natin, anong difference niyan? If you notice, dahil ito, ang naka-square root lang ay yung x, ibig sabihin, hindi ko pwedeng i-square na buo. Kasi pag ginawa ko yun, magiging, mag-iiba na yung sagot. Dito sa dalawang to, magiging binomial na siya. So, if-foil ko pa siya, tapos lalong magiging complicated yung entire thing. So, what could I do? Ang una ko na ngayong gagawin dito would be to remove itong 6 dito sa x na side. Okay? So, ang una kong gagawin would be, iiwan ko yung square root of x is equal to, i-move ko ngayon siya sa kabila. Okay? So, this will be 12 minus 6. Okay? So, this will be square root of x is equal to 12 minus 6 or 6 na lang. Tapos, para makuha ko yung x, lahat sila iso-square ko ngayon. So, this will be x is equal to 6 times 6 or 36. So, the answer here is 36. Notice how different yung sagot na dalawa na yan dahil lang sa hindi na-extend na square root na symbol. So, again, all of these things, you have to take it one step at a time. Kapag mag-exam kayo, lalo na kung mag-exam kayo, make sure na you pay attention to all of those tiny little differences kasi it'll change the entire equation. Okay? Now, it's time for your quick quiz. Again, this will be 4 questions na kailangan yung gamitan ng process para mag-solve ditong problems ito para mahanap niyo yung x. I'm going to give you time. Tapos sa dulo, i-discuss ko in time ang sagot at kung paano yun makuha. Okay? If you're ready with your pen and paper, your timer starts now. Alright, let's see how you did. Let's start with the first one. Again, fairly simple. Kung nagsisimula lang kayo and dito lang kayo medyo mas confident, okay lang yan. The reason why I put this up on YouTube is para pwede nyong balik-balikan if in case may mga parts na naiwan kayo. Pwede nyong aralin uli. Okay? Or i-try uli. Now, dito tayo magfo-focus. Okay? We have yung minus 7 or negative 7. I-move natin siya sa kabila. So, this will be 5x is equal to 18 plus 7. Okay, now again, pangit ako magsulat kasi I'm writing on an old tablet. But if you're writing it sa notebook ninyo, try your best to keep your handwriting as legible as possible. I wish I kept my old math notebooks, no? I made an effort naman na gandahan yung sulat ko doon kasi I know it's going to be for my good, lalo na pag nagre-review ka na. So we have 5x is equal to 18 plus 7. This will be 5x is equal to 25. Okay? Tapos, para makuha ko yung x, i-divide ko both sides by 5. Makakancel ito. X is equal to 25 divided by 5 or 5 na lang. So, the answer here is 5. I hope you got that right. Alright, let's move to the next question. Ito medyo mas tricky na ng konti. Pero I know you can do this din. Again, like what we did kanina, you would see yung 3 nakadikit sa x squared. Walang parentheses, ibig sabihin, dire-diretso yung basahin, 3x squared lang. Uunahin natin poproblemahin yung 3. Una natin siyang tatanggalin. Okay? So, both sides, i-divide ko ngayon sa 3. Maiiwan yung x squared is equal to 27 over 3 or 9. Kasi 27 divided by 3 is 9. Tapos, dahil squared siya, para mawala yung pagiging squared niya, isa-square root ko both sides. So, this will be x is equal to 3. Okay? Kasi ang 9 is 3 times 3. So, the answer here is 3. Okay? Now, ganyan yan. Iba ang kaso kung sakaling nakaparenthesis ito. Pero dahil yan ang pagkakasulat, ito ang tamang sagot. Now, paano ito? Okay, we have yung square root ng quantity na x minus 9. Equal daw siya sa 9. Now, you would see, buo yung covering nito. So, dahil buo yung covering niyan, yung buong thing ngayon ang i-square natin para mawala itong square root na symbol na yan. So, this will be x minus 9 is equal to 9 times 9, kasi 9 squared which means 9 times 9. That is going to give us 81. Okay? Tapos, para maiwan yung x sa side na to, i-move natin yun sa kabila. X is equal to 81. Tapos, dahil minus yan, kabaliktaran is plus 9. So, x is equal to 81 plus 9 or 90. Okay? Again, I hope you got that right. Ang maganda dito is actually the more you practice, the faster you get and the more confident you become. Okay, so I will make up worksheets din sa ating website. If ready na sila, you will find them sa description box. Okay? Now, ito. Paano naman to? Ito mas complicated ng konti sa mga examples natin. But again, we will take it one step at a time muna. You see here, naka-parentheses yung square root of x plus 3. Okay? Pero hindi naka-extend ito. Okay, which is very important dun sa ating gagawin. So, ibig sabihin, kung itong buo naman to ang naka-square, ito, 49, pwede nating tanggalin muna itong pinakalabas. Again, it's always outside papasok, no? Ito ang muna ang tatanggalin natin. So, how do we do that? Isa-square root natin both sides. Okay? That way, mawawala ito. So, ang maiiwan na lang would be yung square root of x plus 3 equal siya sa square root of 49 at yun ay 7. Kasi 7 times 7 is 49. Now again, dahil hindi naman naka-extend yung symbol, ito ngayon ang susunod nating poproblemahin. Ililipat ko siya sa kabilang side. So this will be square root of x is equal to 7. Lipat natin sa kabila. Dahil plus siya dyan, magiging minus 3. Okay? So square root of x is equal to 4. Now again, para mawala naman itong symbol ng square root, multiply natin both sides by itself. Isa-square natin yung buong equation. This is going to give us x is equal to 4 times 4 or 16. So, the answer is 16. Kung ang sagot ninyo ay iba dahil nakalimutan nyo na hindi pala buo yung naka-square root, be careful next time. Again, the reason why I put it up on YouTube para pwede nyong balikan yung mga common pitfalls ninyo. So, I tried my best to be creative dito sa mga problems that I gave you kasi ito yung kadalasan nag-iugat ng mistakes ng mga estudyante taking this. So, you have to be careful the next time na ma-spot nyo yun kasi malalaman mo yung mga tendencies mo. Okay? Again, brush up on your integers, fractions, your operations, your radicals kasi babalik at babalik sila sa higher math. Okay? Now, I hope you got all of those correctly. If you didn't, that's okay. I'll be posting more questions on my Instagram accounts. I have at Team Lyqa for the quick quizzes and at Lyqa Maravilla din for the other announcements. And on TikTok, you can follow me at Team Lyqa for the math and English videos and at Lyqa Maravilla for the motivational videos and advice videos. I hope to see you online. It's a great way for me to interact with you and also see yung inyong progress. So maraming salamat sa inyo who participate in the quizzes. Okay? I'll see you online. Alright, hope you learned something new today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends, lalo na kung mag-exam din sila at nawawala rin ng kanilang ex. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Marami pa tayong lessons na paparating, including yung mga ibang parts ng series na ito. And if you want to reach out to me directly to find out how to get the reviewers that I made, join the online or live review events that we have, you can go to www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa for more information. Thanks guys for watching. Never stop learning. Adja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in my next video and bye for now.